Alright guys, as you know that I have some issue with my monitor or LCD, whatever you call it. I contacted Freego through their official website, and Chris, who is the guy, has been helping me. We have been talking through their website and through emails. Very helpful. Thank you, Chris, by the way. He helped me to get the contact with their technical department, and I was able to send them a bunch of photos and a clip of video to show what's going on with the LCD. And they are very helpful. They actually sent me this replacement. They honored their warranty. Sent me this replacement. I got it. They shipped it out a couple of days ago. I got it within like 3 days. So let's get this new monitor installed today. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can tell, I got a bunch of tools here. This is the box for the new monitor. Let's open it up. I already cut it open, by the way. You can tell in there, got a bunch of new. No, this is the NFC tag thing. Because I guess the new system needs a new tag, and then this is the new monitor. Very nice. I think it's a very simple replacement. You can tell this is the connection part. What we need to do is basically open. Let me zoom it in. Open the side chamber, whatever you call it, panel. There's a few screws. Take it out. Open it. Then take the screen off and take the whole thing out. And then put the new screen on there and connect the plug-in in there. So I think that's it. So yeah, let's get started. Very easy. By the way, I already opened the side panel previously because the Chris, the Freego guy, asked me to double check my connection over here. So that's why it's so easy to open right now. Again, I think it's the whole thing, the whole frame is aluminum, so very nice. Now, all this wiring is exploding to you. You can tell. Can you see it? Let me zoom in a little bit, I guess. Yeah. So I'm gonna actually take the. Let me take the screen off first. I'm planning to do another video someday to sorry, let's look back a little bit, to look at all my accessories. So you can tell in the front part I added another light, a very nice light. Then of course my bag over here, my bag, and of course the mud fender I added in my previous video, and of course the signal light. So yeah, there's a bunch of things. Also of course I changed another new mirror, make it wider so I can see my back easier. But yeah, there's a bunch of things I want to show you. There's a cup holder over there, and there's also a bunch of gears I wear, wearing gears I want to show you guys. So maybe I would do a accessory video sometime. But yeah, before that, let's focus on this. Now, I can take the screen off. Okay, now the wiring. How am I gonna get the wires out? I think it goes through I don't know whether you can see it or not, but all the wires coming down through that hole, through that no, there's a wire organizing bundle there. Let me increase my brightness. Yeah, I think you can see better now. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to cut it open. I think there's some zip ties. Very careful. Whew. Not cut into any wiring. Okay, zip tie off. I got a bunch of zip ties, so don't worry about that. Wiring organizing thing. Okay, that's that. I'm over there right now. Here's another one. There we're good. Okay, now I just need to follow the wire of this monitor all the way back to over here. Hopefully I unplug the right one. Just the wire. Make sure that I found it. I think that's the one. Okay, so unplug that. Wait, did I? Almost forgot to shut down my system. Okay, now unplug that. Oh, I got it. Just need to push. Okay, out. Now I can just put this side. Ta-da! Got the old one off. Now let's put the new one on it. It's basically the same thing, just with some new tags. Let you see the whole thing. Where it goes from the front. Down there for now. Okay, like that. Go from here. Up. Okay, got it. Now I just need to connect it back to the system. Oh, here we go. Now, the moment of truth. Oh yeah, see the NFC right away? Now, let's try my old tag. Yeah, it's not working. Let's get the new tag. Where's my new tag? Oh gosh, oh, it's on the ground. Oh gosh. Come on. Yeah. 3 new tags. Here we go. See the information? Yeah, I missed that, guys. Oh my gosh. I've been using this thing without really seeing anything from the screen for the past few months. I mean, not a few months, couple of months. But yeah, here we go. Everything so clear, crystal, bright. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I want to do today. Pretty much just showing you guys, kind of like also showing you what it looks like once you open the box. You know, all the wiring, very straightforward. So yeah, very happy. Thank you, Freego. Thank you, Chris from Freego. Helped me through this issue. It's been bothering me for the past couple of months. After I show you guys the proof of what's going on with it, you guys helped me right away. So thank you. And for the rest of my reviewers, I guess I will see you next time. Like I said, I may do a accessory video of all the things I put it on the bike and of course myself. See you next time.